You can easily create internal slide links inside of Google Slides so that it's easier for you to navigate whenever you're doing a presentation. So for that, I'm going to go around over here and add a new slide. I'm just going to select this and delete this out. I'm going to drag a text box tool right here, and I'm going to say for linking right here. You can type in anything that you want, so you don't have to type in this exact word. I'm also going to bring in a shape right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to bring in this circle right here. So what you can do is you can go around and select this just like this, and then right click on it, and over here you can see that link is an option. Once you click on it, you have two options. You got link option to slide, and then you can link online. But I'm going to go around and link to the slide in presentation. So once I do that, you can see that there are different slides that you can link to. So I'm just going to go around, and let's say I want to link it to the first slide right here, and I'm going to press apply. So if I were to click on present right here, you can see that it is loading. And if I were to click for linking, it goes back to the first slide. Click again, it goes forward. Click this, and it goes back to the first slide right there. I can do the same with the linking for the object as well. So you can see that there's enable. So I'm just going to go around, right click on it, and click on link. So over here, I'm going to click on slides in the presentation again. So I can go to next slide or previous slide or first slide, or I can go around right here and choose the slide I want. So I'm just going to go around, and I'm going to go for the last slide, as you can see right here. So let me just click on present. So now let's see what happens. So if I want to go to the first slide, I can click on this. It goes back to the first slide. Click on it again, and it goes forward slide right there. Click on this. It goes right on to the end, just like that. So you can easily create hyperlinks right there, as you can see, to navigate around the slides internally as well inside of Google Slides. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.